What's up, Dirt fam? Sxth Adventure here. First things first, guys, thank you so much for the ongoing support, comments, and engagement on the channel. We're sitting at over 9,100 monthly returning viewers, millions of impressions, and steady growth week over week. It's honestly a dream come true, and I appreciate every single one of you. So for this build video, I'll admit it, I steered you guys in the wrong direction earlier this year. The 285/7017, yeah, not the perfect tire for the 4th gen Tacoma. In my pursuit to finding the perfect tire setup, it led me to the 295/7017 BF Goodrich K03s. And man, these things look badass on the truck. And while I was at it, I added a couple new supporting mods. The Sxth exhaust tip and new lights from Diode Dynamics. The truck finally hits different now, and she's a looker. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Roll that intro!
Cut to the chase, yeah. Everyone give me some space, okay. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes, right. Impact, I'm ready to brace, okay. We fall down and land on our face, yeah. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid, yeah. Legends don't die in a grave, right. They live through the story they made, okay.
All right, guys, first mod up on the list is the Diode Dynamics ditch lights and hitch mount light. In my search for adding more lighting on the front end of the vehicle, this company just makes the most sense. And they throw a stupid amount of light. Yeah, the tinted windshield wasn't helping much, but hey, it's just an excuse to buy more lights. From an installation standpoint, Diode makes it super easy. I've always been skeptical about wiring. One wrong move, and you're smelling burnt plastic and seeing smoke. Diode sells the full harness, so please make sure to buy that when you're setting up these lights. Literally hook it up to the battery, zip tie the excess, run the switch, and you're good to go. It took my amateur ass 2 hours to install, and the hitch mount light took 5 minutes. These products are made in the USA, and it shows. From the packaging down to the wiring harnesses, everything screams quality. The hitch light's plug and play and took about 5 minutes to install. It mimics your brake light and your reverse lights, so you can actually see when you're backing up the rig. The ditch lights are offered in 3 wattage ratings: Sport, Pro, or Max, based on your brightness needs. You can also choose your beam pattern, driving, flood, or combo. Mine are the super white with the amber DRLs to match the factory look. If you want to light up your world and enhance your driving experience, pick up a set and make sure to use my code ADVENTUROUS. It helps me out and keeps you running with the best. Yes, I've made false claims about the 285/7017 being the perfect tire for your 4th gen Tacoma. At first, I thought they'd be the ideal balance. Better stance, decent gas mileage, and a better ride quality, but I was wrong. So I ditched the 285s for another set of brand new tires, the 295/7017 BF Goodrich K03s. Because apparently, I have a thing for spending money twice. The 295s are about a 1/2 inch wider and a 1/2 inch taller than the 285s. That's 1.16 inches wider than stock and about 1.66 inches taller than stock overall. From a gas mileage standpoint, it dropped about 1 mile per gallon. With the 285s, I was averaging 18 miles per gallon. With the 295s, I'm at about 17 miles per gallon, give or take. I can usually get better gas mileage when I flip it in eco mode and keep it under 70, but that rarely ever happens. You can definitely feel the extra weight with these tires. The 285s weighed about 56 pounds per tire. The 295s weigh about 64 pounds per tire. That's an 8-pound increase per corner. But honestly, who's counting when your rig looks this good? Fitment-wise, I can fit a finger in between the tire and the wheel well at full lock. With the plus 25mm offset and the front leveling kit, I got plenty of room around my upper control arms. And I have absolutely no rubbing issues with this setup. I'd imagine if you went up in tire size, you'd have to whip out the hacksaw. Will they fit your stock setup? No. At a minimum, you'll need a leveling kit and a positive offset. Don't get me wrong, the 285s are a safe option, but they left me unsatisfied. The 295s might not be the most practical setup for your truck, but practicality has never built a dream rig. Last but not least, the Sxth off-road tailpipe. This product's perfect for those of you actually using your rigs off-road and in tight situations where you can flatten your stock exhaust. It gives the truck a tougher look and adds more bark out of the stock exhaust. It also barely affects gas mileage. Installation's super easy. Just make sure to lower the spare tire before removing the stock exhaust. Your tools are behind the passenger rear seat. Simply lower the spare tire, take out your stock exhaust, and you're ready to install the new exhaust tip. Quality-wise, Sxth nailed it. And the look, it cleans up the back of your truck tremendously. Shaved a little weight, the truck looks meaner, and the 4-bangers finally got some bark. All right, Dirt fam, that's build video number 3. Bigger tires for the second time, more exhaust bark, and enough light to land a damn airplane. The Tacoma's starting to finally feel dialed. Every mile, every adventure, just getting closer to the perfect setup. Next mod's up, the Banks Power short ram intake, rough country or OVS Bed Cap, and more lights from my boys at Diode Dynamics. Thanks again for all of you supporting the channel. It's wild watching this thing grow. Until next time, keep pushing, stay relentless, and let this adventure carve you into who you're meant to be. Peace!
Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in a grave. Okay. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bags covered away. I paved, zipped up.